So we do welcome it. We do welcome the fact that the US and China have announced that, to some extent at least, they will roll back the imposition of tariffs for 90 days. From the EU side, we've been very clear and consistent from the start that we believe the imposition of tariffs is a retrograde step for global trade and the global economy. So, with this in mind, we welcome any step that goes the other direction, any step that contributes to the good functioning of global supply chains, anything that supports stability and predictability for global trade and investment, of course provided that the global rules base is fully respected. So from the EU perspective, we want to lower barriers, not increase them. This announcement appears to go in that direction, so we welcome it.